I've made this card holder before. It's the HOB0, and it's pretty much the more popular one. I'm going to do a variation today, and the only problem with this is it's all made with 2 to 3 ounce leather. It's probably somewhere between, I don't know, 1 to 1.2 millimeters. So right here at the top, it's not consistent because this section here is only one layer, while these are two. So the variation will take care of that. It'll give it a more solid feel. I mean, nothing's wrong with this one. It's quite fine. And it's pretty much the same pattern as the HOB0. This is the HOB1 with this piece added right here. See, just that top piece. And also, these two pieces are just a tad bit shorter. I think they're about 5 mil shorter. So these ones, the pockets are made quite long. The next one will be just a bit shorter. So, just to start, I'm just going to have to cut out the pattern like always. The base piece is the one you're going to see the least amount. This one right here. I'm going to use some scraps for that, so I'm probably going to make that out of the red. And then, let me see. Probably going to make this out of black. Too small. So we use the black for this, and the brown for this, and then the black for that. Okay, I think that's where I'm going. First thing we do is going to punch out all the holes on all of these. Next step is we cut it out. Do not cut the round corners. Just cut everything straight. Pattern is designed for you cut right on the lines. Put the line right up there. Let's do this one first here. Leave this one cut outside the line, maybe about a 1/4 inch or so. Okay, so remember, cut outside the line all the way around this, all around here, and outside and the top. we assemble these. Let's see. Do like this. Top, top, bottom, bottom. So it's gonna look like that. Now's the time to do the edges that have to be done. So this edge, this one, and same for that one. So we're gonna put this one on first, then we're gonna sew that down, then put that one on. Same with the other side. Next thing we need to do is gotta make the glue stick. So like that. So I need to sew this and this. I'll take care of that and be right back. Now, just gotta glue it together. Well, before I glue it together, gotta trim this all down here. Finish this edge. I seem to have lost some footage there, so just adding this on. This is the finished product here. All I did, the missing video was just rounding the corner. Just taking this guy and cutting off the corners and burnishing the ends. That was the only thing that was left to do. So much better now. Now that we got even thickness here, feels much better too. One thing to note: the color you choose for in here, if you're gonna cover it with black, will show up on the edge if you don't stain it. So that turned out pretty good, I think. Anyway, that is it right there. Now you have really nothing special. Two on this side, two on this side, and probably some cash and other things in there. But that is the HOB1. It's basically the same as the original one, just a little variation. There's about 2 or 3 more variations. And when I get those patterns, when I transfer the templates to the patterns, and probably make another one. But that's it for now.